Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find emails and notification settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and click here. Now click settings and now click notifications and now click by email, and that's it. That's how to find email notification settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.